In this video, I want to show you how you can copy comments on Instagram. So once you're on the Instagram app, you want to go ahead and find a comment that you want to copy. And in this example, I'm just going to select this post here. Then I'm going to go to the comments and I'm going to select one that I want to copy. Let's say it's those fire emojis at the top. So what I want to do now is go back to the post and tap on the 3 vertical dots on the post and then tap on copy link. Next, what I want to do is go to my browser, and in this case, I recommend you use Google Chrome, and you paste that link that you just copied into the URL bar and click on go. And what this is going to do is open up the Instagram post on a browser, and what you want to do now is find the 3 dots, which is over here at the top right, and then tap on desktop site. This is going to give you the desktop site of Instagram in a browser on your mobile phone, and you can go to the comment section of that post, and there's the post with the fire emojis, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy that comment. And now I've copied that comment from Instagram. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.